Alright, so it's been a month since I got the car. Well, in 3 days, it'll be a month since I got the BRZ. And we have an issue. Well, I have an issue. I don't know where to take this build. The only mods that we have on the car right now are exhaust, and just like any problem in life, you can solve it by using technology. So there we go. Also, quick plug, if you like this sticker or any of these stickers, I sell them on my website. It's luckyprime.us, link in the description. Alright, basically there's a thing called ChatGPT. I'm not too familiar with it. All I know is you can ask it questions and it will give you pretty decent answers. So my question is, what kind of mods should I do on the BRZ? Oh boy, that's a lot of text. Let's see. The modifications you should do in your Subaru BRZ largely depend on your personal preferences and the intended use of your vehicle. Here are a few popular modifications that can enhance your driving experience. Number 1, suspension. Upgrading your suspension system can improve your car's handling and responsiveness. Lowering springs, coilovers, and sway bars are some of the popular options to consider. What about air suspension? Do you think coilovers or air suspension is better? Both coilovers and air suspension have their... Okay, alright. That's a very neutral answer. Alright, so the first thing on the list is suspension, and I think that's a pretty good starting point. Yeah, so let's work on the suspension. Also, I never drink energy drinks, so this is So you're probably wondering, why am I going back to coilovers after I did air suspension on the Lexus? And the truth is, after driving the RC for a few years with the air suspension, I kind of just miss coilovers. How should I explain this? It felt like I was driving a boat. I don't know, it just wasn't that exciting to drive. It just felt like a regular car. Like, even if no one's around, you're just by yourself, just I don't know, that was sick. And like, that part's cool, but just the driving experience is a lot different than coilovers. Even driving back yesterday after installing them, just the responsiveness, the handling, just getting onto the freeway, driving like surface streets was fun, you know? As for the coilovers themselves, why did I go with Tein? I like the color green. It's not my favorite top color, but it's like top 42 colors. I want us up there. No, I think the green is nice. I mean, that's not the only reason. They are affordable. They're in my budget. I put it on the record. I'm not trying to flex on anybody. I am broke. I am poor. I'm everything that is not rich. All my money goes into like photography gear, this fucking laptop, all these stickers, by the way. If you'd like to help me out, you know, you can buy some stickers online. luckyprime.us. Why is there always like a stupid split in my hair? I got a haircut. I don't know if you guys noticed since the last video. Oh god, my hair was horrible. Alright, so I've just been sitting here in this garage with the camera rolling for about an hour now, just rambling, chugging on this monster. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like or a comment down below. You can find me on social media. I have links down in the description. Oh, one more time, stickers. stickers. We have all these stickers available on our shop, luckyprime.us. I've said this like 6 times already in the video. You know, I don't get paid doing this YouTube thing. I'm broke. Remember, I'm broke. But you can help me out by at least checking out the shop. But yeah, as always, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go take pictures of my car now.